Hello dear students. In the previous class we have discussed about the earthwork in excavation and cement concrete in foundation of a single new building. So in this class we will see the brickwork in foundation and plinth as well as the brickwork in superstructure. So brickwork in plinth in and brickwork in superstructure means कौन ता माने बुझुछ ता माने brickwork in foundation and plinth कहले कौन बुझुछ ना जिते कि मोर brickwork foundation और plinth पर्यंत होइछि that portion will be included in brickwork in plinth and foundation. तो आम ये तुम्हें देखिपार देख तो ये आम जीएलटा कौटी अच्छी ये अच्छी तार ब्रिक वर्क फाउंडेशन आमर सीमेंट कंक्रीट अलरेडी कौन सरी सरी एस्टिमेट. सो हियर द ब्रिक वर्क दिस इज द फर्स्ट फुटिंग 50 centimeter second footing 40 centimeter is the third means 60 40 that comes below the GL this footing area. So it will come under the brickwork in foundation. Then plinth means above your GL up to floor level. So this portion is your plinth. So here you mark that your width of first footing is 60, width of second footing 40, and in plinth this is what 40. So we have to you have to find out the brickwork taking this dimension but taking this width. Okay, so we will apply the same principle as we applied in earthwork in excavation and cement concrete in foundation. First we have to find out the center line length, and we already know that for the long wall it was 5.3 and for the short wall it was 4.3. So I draw this simple building, I know, and I will mark the center line. So from the center we have to excavate the footing. First footing width means 60 centimeter. You mark first footing width, it is given 60 centimeter. Means from the center this half will be 0.6 by 2 and this half also will be 0.6 by 2. Likewise from the for the long wall also this is 0.6 by 2 and from the center this inner portion also 0.6 by 2. So same principle. So we know that the center to center length for the short wall 4.3 and for the long wall it was 5.3. So what will be the out to out length and in to in length? So my out to out length will be out to out length of long wall equal to center to center length means 5.3 plus 0.6 by 2 plus 0.6 by 2. So 5.3 plus 0.6 which will come as 5.9 meter. So exactly for the short wall we have to find out the in to in length. So in to in length of short wall equal to center line length, center to center length minus short wall देखो 4.3 अच्छी देखो ये केते अच्छी 4.3 तो ये portion ये भीतर center inner portion and also from the ये सेंटर जो इनर पोर्शन सर्ट वाल माइनस करा पड़ो तेल आम कौन करा पड़ो सेंटर टू सेंटर लेंथ माइनस 0.6/2 माइनस 0.6/2 कहीं आम ये बाहर करुचे कौन फास्ट फुटिंग तो आमर के ना 4.3 माइनस 0.6 so which will come as 3.7 meter. Okay, so here you see we already found the fast footing. Number is 2 because there is 2 long wall and 2 short wall, so number is 2. Length we found 5.9 and width it is given 0.6. And what is the depth I will show you. Here you see depth of individual footing. Depth of individual footing is how much? 30 centimeter. So first footing ro 0.3, second footing ro भी 0.3 और थर्ड फुटिंग रो भी 0.3 एंड प्लिंथ रो होची केते 0.6. प्लिंथ रो केते अछि प्लिंथ हैला कोन ना जीएल लु फ्लोर अप टू फ्लोर लेवल तो एटी केते अछि ना 0.6. तमा तीनटा फुटिंग रो मोर हाइट अछि सेम 0.3 प्लिंथ केस रे खाली मोर कोन अछि 0.6 बट विड्थ समस्या अलगा. फर्स्ट फुटिंग रो 60, सेकंड फुटिंग रो 50 एंड तमरो प्लिंथ रो अछि केते 40. Okay, so fast footing, sorry I have marked in fast footing is this portion, this middle portion is fast footing. Okay, so here this the depth is, so here this depth is kete 0.3, so multiplying by 5.9, 0.6 and 0.3 we will get this quantity 2.13. So similarly for second footing we have to see because second footing रे width अछि केते मोर 0.5 ता माने फ्रॉम द सेंटर मते 0.5/2 खोलिया को पड़िबो आ देन माने आउटर साइड को 0.5/2 एंड इनर साइड को 0.5/2. से जगह रे कोन करियो पड़िबो ना पुनी अगेन मते प्लान ड्रा करियो पड़िबो. तो एटा मु तुम बुझिया पई कहूची बट एवरी टाइम यू नीड नॉट टू ड्रा because when we will start doing estimating, so you will simply know the principle. So here center line, center line, center line and center line. Though we are doing estimate for the second footing, means for the width of 50 centimeter, so we have to excavate 50 centimeter by 2 from the center to both the out wall and from the inner side, one from the outer to the outer side as well as to the inner side. Means from the center, if the green color is center line, so this will be 0.5/2 and this outer portion also will be 0.5/2. So from the center for the long wall this will be 0.5/2 and this will be also 0.5/2. So here also this exact same principle will be applied. The out to out length of long wall equal to केते हबो ना सेंटर टू सेंटर लेंथ आमे जानि छै केते 5.3 प्लस 0.5/2 जेहेतु आमे सेकंड फुटिंग रा बाहर करछे तो 0.5/2 प्लस 0.5/2 तो केते आसला ना 5.3 प्लस 0.5 which is equal to 5.8 meter. Okay, so for the short wall we will see for the short wall we have to find the in to in length, means sorry, so we have to find out in to in length of short wall. तो कौन अब ना सेंटर टू सेंटर लेंथ means 4.3 minus this 0.5 by 2, in this side also minus 0.5 by 2. So minus 0.5 by 2 minus 0.5 by 2. So which is equal to 4.3 minus 0.5, which is equal to 3.8 meter. Okay. So we found out the length by short wall and length by the long wall for the second footing, that is 50 cm width. आम width जगह के बस 50 cm आउ डेप्थ देखले आम के अच्छी इंडिविजुअल हाइट के अच्छी सॉरी ये 60 cm मुझे देखीदी 50 री के अच्छी 30 cm तो मान तर हाइटा हूँ के 0.3. तो सेकेंड फुटिंग देख ये दीटा 5.8 आम कैलकुलेशन कले विड्थ 0.5 0.3. सो क्वांटिटी है 1.74. तो लॉन्ग वाल केस कौन हो 1 ब्रेथ कौन हो आड हो. तो ये शॉर्ट वाल देख तो शॉर्ट वाल आम फास्ट फुटिंग जिते करते तो दीटा थिला दीटा 3.7 0.6 0.3 1.33. सेकेंड फुटिंग 3.8 कैलकुलेशन कले 0.5 0.3 and 1.4. So here you mark one thing when we are doing long wall. Just see the length was 5.3. when we come to second footing the length reduces, means 5.8, but in case of short wall it is 3.7, and again for the second footing the length increases, means long wall आमर length कमी कमी जाउछि, short wall आमर into length कौन होछि बढ़ी बढ़ी जाउछि. तो यहाँ आम लॉन्ग वाल और शॉर्ट वाल प्रिंसिपल पढ़ी थिले. So now let us see how we will calculate the long wall and short wall for the plinth wall. Okay. So for calculation of the long wall and short wall for the plinth wall, we have to see the dimensions are the plinth level, that means what are the width and what is the height of the plinth given in the drawing. Okay. So let us see. Here it is the plinth, means the dimension of 40 centimeter its width, and the height is 60 centimeter. I have already shown you the from ground level to the floor level. So this height is called the plinth. Okay. So this is the plinth from ground level to the floor level. This is the plinth. Okay, so let us draw the plan of the room at plinth level. Means we have to take the 40 centimeter width. Okay, while drawing the plan. So let us draw. So here you see the plan of the building at plinth level. Okay, so that means the plinth breadth is given 40. That means your wall dimension will be 40 centimeter, which is equal to 0.4 meter. Okay, so from the center to the inner wall it will be 0.4 by 2. So from the outside also it will be 0.4 by 2. So similarly on the other side you mark this will be 0.4 by 2 and this will be 0.4 by 2. So what is the calculation for the out to out length of long wall and in length of short wall? So let us see. So out to out length of long wall. So we know that the center to center distance of long wall is 5.3. So our out to out length will be 5.3 plus this breadth, this half of the breadth and this half of the breadth, which is nothing but 0.4 by 2. Okay, so 0.4 by 2 plus 0.4 by 2, so which will be coming as 5.7 meter. That means center to center length of the wall plus one breadth. So similarly, for calculating to into length of your short wall, so what we have to do, we have to first the center to center length of short wall is 4.3. So here in this case, for finding out this in to in distance, what I have to do, from the 4.3 we have to deduct this much 0.4 by 2, and on the other side also this dimension means this dimension 0.4 by 2. So 4.3 minus 0.4 by 2 minus 0.4 by 2, so which will come as 3.9 meter. Okay, so let us move to our details of quantity and measurement page. So here you see the length of the numbers of long wall is 2. Your length we found 5.7, width is 0.4 and height is 0.6 as we saw in the figure. So total quantity will be multiplication of your numbers, means 2 into 5.7 into 0.4 into 0.6. In every case we have to multiply the numbers of the wall along with its dimensions. Okay, so it will come as 2.74. So for the short wall, again number is 2. Quantity of the length means length of the short wall we found 3.9, breadth 0.4 and height is 0.6. So quantity 1.87. So after adding all the quantities, means this quantity, this quantity, this quantity, so this quantity gives the quantity of long wall. Again for the short wall also, adding this much value will get the total quantity of 10.95 cubic meter. Okay, so this is all about your brickwork in foundation and plinth. Okay, so in the next class we will see the brickwork in superstructure. Thank you all.